Hello, my name is Danny Lee, and this is my presentation on the issue tracker project we had worked on during the third semester of application and web development. So I took on this project because what we were learning in class, I wanted to implement it into my own thing. We were doing a pet adoption thing, and I felt like that was pretty cookie cutter. Everyone had the same project. I wanted to add my own touches, add my own creative stuff to it, so wanted to show that off. Um, what I learned in the project was how to use the MERN stack completely, how the React talks to the backend and the backend talks to the database, gets the information out, puts it back on the front end for the users to see. And what I want to do, or what I would have changed, is I would have liked to have a way that users can see individual bugs listed out in the nav bar. I think that would be an accessibility thing that would be nice for users to have. Um, so similar applications are Jira, which I used during my internship, and it had a board full of bugs, and you could click on them, and it reaches a bug editor page, which I feel like was really similar to the projects that we did. And it also had filters, and uh, you would filter the bugs out, and they would get sorted, which is similar. I feel is more similar to backlog. Our project is more similar to backlog because of the certain types of stuff that you would filter out. Key features. I feel like a big part of it was the security, and we had a really big unit on authorization and authentication. So there's a lot of stuff here in the features about that. Here's the screenshot that I wanted to show of my bug tracker. This is just the bug list, and like you can see, it's similar to the ones that I showed. So I'm gonna go do the live demo here. I'm at the register page of my issue tracker right now, and I pre-filled in these fields. But if I didn't have them, they would uh, come up red, have an error. Just gonna register myself as a user. And I am now logged in. As you can see, I don't have any roles. I can't give myself any roles because I am not a technical manager, which is the role that allows you to change roles of other people or yourself. But this is the edit user page of myself, so I can see it. I can change email, password, anything here. I don't want to do that. So if I go anywhere else, I don't have any permissions because I don't have any roles, which I think is a really good part of the security features because you don't want anyone signing up for your website and going everywhere to look everywhere. So I feel like the technical manager should like be the one to approve like who gets to see what. So right here I have it auto filled out as the admin account, which has all the roles as you can see. And since I have the technical manager role, I can fill out my own roles. Here is the bug list that I have shown. The filter, I can filter through different keywords, all these filters that I feel like were also in the backlog application. Clicking on a bug here, you can edit it. Anything here changes, and then you hit update. That updates, and then I can assign the bug to someone, classification, and this comes with the business administrator role or business analyst role, I believe. Here are the comments. There's just a bunch of test comments on this bug. So I will report a new bug. Once you report a new bug, you go to the straight to the edit page where you just reported the bug, and then you can edit anything about it here. Adding a comment. shows up. Since I am a technical manager, I also have the user list, and this is the account I made before. I want to give it the developer role, and then we can log back into that account. Never mind, I forgot about my password, so I will log into a different account that also has the developer role. And as you can see, you can't view users. You can report a bug. Any role can report a bug. But for this one, you can't update other people's bugs, but instead you can update your own bugs. So as you can see, that bug was made by Ayo Harleen, and I go to a bug made by this account, hit update, and the bug is updated. And that's pretty much it that I would like to show off.